Hello everyone. Today is the 13 January and my video topic is climate changes. In a nowadays, increase the air pollution, water pollution, and some other um, human interference in an environment to cut the tree and that any other and the population is increases day by day and emission of the cars and other fossil fuels are increases. That's why the impact of the climate is drastically in some 20 30 50 30 or 50 years. The climate will be changed drastically as compared to the back before. Just climate changes effect on our human, not only human, but also the effect on our environment and our biodiversity and other living organism. Today is discuss about what is the effect on climate changes to our living beings, to the living beings or in a earth. First one is the global warming. The effect of the climate changes directly impact on our earth temperature. And day by day, the earth temperature will be increases will be increases because our climate changes, because the ozone layer will be decreases. That's global warming are directly effect to the melting the ice our glaciers, melting the ice our glaciers. That's why the sea level will be increases, because melting the ice the water can form, and that why the sea level will be increases. They are directly affect on our environment. Um, the global warming form because the ozone layer will be decreases day by day, and that's why the sunlight will be directly enter to the our environments, and that's why temperature of the our environment will be increases as 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 more as. These are the global warming effect. Second one is greenhouse gases. When burning of a fossil fuel, from our vehicle factories, our vehicle factory, they are the air pollution will be increases, and that's why the more greenhouse gases are formed, and that greenhouse gases to are directly impact to the climate. They reduce our biodiversity, to reduce our some animal you can see before back a day, but at that time at not see our environment. Third effect on biodiversity. uh, Biodiversity, uh, when increases the temperature and global warming are a directly effect on our biodiversity. In a forest region, the most of the living organism, living animals and other animals and other mm, birds can be increasing day by day. This is the directly effect on our biodiversity. Biodiversity, most of the uh, birds you cannot see in nowadays. In your childhood you can see, but nowadays they cannot see. This is the directly effect on our biodiversity. This is the third major impact of the climate changes on our biodiversity. The third, fourth effect will be um, climate will be changed drastically. मतलब they are not routine of the climate. they are not routine of the season of the climate. Before back days, the season every season can take four months, but nowadays it is not any season are particularly in a month. They are any rainy season in any month, and any month, or temperature will be increases, not summer. Also the winter season also temperature increases. In water season the temperature will be increases, and winter in water. So all are the mixed season. They are not a particular fixed season. That's the effect on our climate season. This is the climate change. Fifth one is the acid rain. The increase the greenhouse gases. They are, that's why the some countries or some part of our country, or some of any country, they fall the acid rain. This is the directly effect of the climate changes. This acid rain will be formed because of the greenhouse gases. Also, climate changes are directly effect to the climate changes are directly effect to the human beings, because in nowadays the health condition will be best, but many newborn disease can form, and this disease new disease can form, and this effect on our body, and this why increase the cancers also increases, and any other diseases like lungs cancers because of the pollution, skin cancer because of the changes of the climate, or sunlight are directly pass to the our body. That's why increase the light cancer. Any many more other disease will be also increases because of the effect of the climate changes. Many reasons will be climate will be changes. That's why it is a dangerous to the human beings, and our ecosystem. They can drastically increase. Climate changes are directly effect of our human lives and our origin. That's why you can not you can that's why they control the pollution as less as more as control the pollution as more as that's why they reduce the traveling to the vehicle. We use the local buses and public transportation. That's why to reduce the air pollution, and many other thing can you can happen to reducing the pollution. This is the ultimate solution of the climate changes. This is very important to our future. Thank you.